Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 4% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices jumped over 1% on safe haven demand as fears of a full-out war in the Middle East escalated after Iran fired ballistic missiles at Israel. Spot gold gained 1%. Safe haven currencies strengthened as Iran launched missiles towards Israel, while the dollar also firmed on data showing a resilient US labor market. The dollar index rose 0.45%. The third quarter of 2024 has witnessed a decrease in the total number of reported crypto hacks, but a spike in the value of assets stolen. The overall financial damage surged by approximately 9.5%, with a total of $753 million taken from investors across 155 incidents.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ADP employment change will be released at 12:15 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT, the Eurozone's unemployment rate at 9 GMT. Spain's unemployment change will be released at 7 GMT, Japan's consumer confidence index at 5 GMT, Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.